Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to move images in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing to do is just like to create your projects in Filmora. You can simply go to the file menu and create your own project or open some existent one. Now I have this video here and basically let's do it like that. And this is my background video or whatever. Now I'm just going to add an image from the stock video and it is simply just like some uh, white color, and I'm just going to resize it so it can be more visible. So I'm just going to make it like that. We zoom in on the timeline and basically this is my square. Now to start animating, all you will be needing is to start creating keyframes. So here I will have my video here. So I'm just going to activate the keyframing on my video, and basically in this time, that means the zero time, I want the position to be like that. Now when I will go to this time, I want the position to be something like that. And basically after this time, which is in this timeline on the red, I want it to go up a little bit and then move forward. And then we want it to go further and then go down. So now I'm just going to show you how it will be showing in the video. And by that, you will start being able to start creating animation and moving your elements. And basically that would apply on text, videos, and everything. And then you can like see the path curves, so you can like also changing the curves of the effects, which would make things smoother. And basically you can add some fades in and fades out, and you can like see the curves here, so you can start like making them more smoother uh, here. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.